Thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat wherever you would like. Feel the length of the spine and relax the shoulders down away from the ears. If your body is feeling tired or sore today, you're more than welcome to naturally lay down, bend the knees, and place the soles of the feet on the floor. And gently close your eyes. And feel your body and your mind completely relax and let go. Know that you are completely safe here to feel and to release any energy pent up. You're completely safe to just be and soften into the stillness. And feel your muscles let go even more. And surrender to the here and the now. And finding 3 deep breaths together. And draw a deep inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. And take a big, slow exhale through the mouth. And 2 more just like that if it feels good. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest, and exhale through the lips. And final one, inhale through the nose, guiding your breath into your belly, into your chest. And exhale, let it all go. And come back to the natural wave and flow of your own breath. And take a moment to devote your meditation practice to someone you love, as well as to yourself. In the mind's eye, visualize yourself seated at the base of the river's end. And visualize the cool, crisp water softly rushing down. Imagine the birds in the sky. trees softly blowing with the wind. Imagine the trickle of the water coming from the river. And the sunlight gently kissing your skin. Know that you're completely free here. And keep your focus on each inhale and exhale as it gently nourishes your body. And keep coming back to your breath and the visualization around you. And if your mind starts to wander or drift off, just gently bring it back with compassion. And start to gently wiggle the fingers and the toes. And take a deep inhale through the nose. And a big exhale through your mouth. And flutter the eyes open like a butterfly opening its wings. And welcome yourself back to the space around you. I hope you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.